Arranging a surprise birthday party is super easy. Let's prepare delicious snacks, decorate the room, make unusual invitations, and give bright, fun gifts. Watch our new video to learn festive birthday life hacks. Stephanie is crying her eyes out. Her friends forgot about her birthday. And here they are, the boys understanding the gravity of the situation. They really messed up. Now they have to fix things quick. The guys came up with a plan. Operation Save Steph's Birthday at all costs. Let's get started. Ben will prepare the house for a fun party. He sets the table and makes sure to include the most iconic aspect of any party, balloons. Ben knows a fast life hack to keep a balloon on the ceiling. Rub the balloon on your hair and attach it to the ceiling using static electricity. Now that's magic! The balloons stay up by themselves. The laws of physics are an interior decorator's best friend. Meanwhile, Stevie distributes invitations to Stephanie's friends. Not regular ones. These come in special jars. Write the time and place of the party on a small piece of paper. Laminate it with clear tape. Prepare some slime. Add borax to Elmer's glue and color it with acrylic paint. Mix slime. Put the note into the slime and place the slime into a small glass jar. Decorate it with a ribbon. Make a few multicolored invitations. Jessica opens the jar. She's never seen a party invite like this one before. There's an address and slime in here. How creative! Stevie finds the rest of his friends at school. He hands out slime invitations to everyone. Stevie finished up with the invites and came back to help his friend. We need sweet treats to go with our tea. Stevie's got it. He'll make some quick cupcakes. Mix 4 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix it. Separately mix 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix the wet and dry ingredients. Mix batter. Fill silicone cupcake molds halfway and microwave them for 2 minutes. Decorate them with melted chocolate and colorful glaze. Stevie brings out his yummy homemade cupcakes. Don't eat them! We need to wait for Stephanie and the guests! But that won't stop the boys! Our taste test was a success! These cupcakes are perfect! But still, we're missing some more yummy stuff to eat! No way! Ben will prepare it himself this time around. Peel an apple, a banana, a kiwi, and a mango. Cut them into big pieces. Remove the tip from a big syringe. Cut the fruits and put them into the syringe. Insert a wooden skewer and push the sweet kabobs out. Make a few different fruit kabobs. Change up the order of the fruits. Chef Ben tried hard. These appetizers are great for a big group of friends. And here they come! All the guests are here! Jessica brought refreshing drinks in a vase with ice. Fill balloons with water and tie them off. Freeze them. Put the frozen balloons into a vase with a few cans of soda. Now we have cold drinks, snacks, and gifts. Let's call in the birthday girl! We bring Stephanie in with her eyes blindfolded. You can look now! Surprise! It's raining confetti just for you! Trim a balloon. Cut the bottom out of a paper cup. Tie the balloon onto the cup. Knot the end. Secure the balloon with decorative tape. Fill the cup with confetti and glitter. Ben arranged a sparkly birthday fireworks show using his own homemade party cracker. It's time to party! Every birthday girl deserves a crown. Glue old puzzle pieces to a headband. Make a crown. Decorate it with acrylic spray paint. Cover the crown with glue and sprinkle it with glitter. Decorate it with rhinestones. Now it's obvious that Stephanie is the queen of this party! Now it's time for presents! Dolly gives her a bright and soft bouquet made out of squishies. String a squishy on a wooden skewer. Wrap around it with a ribbon. Wrap the skewer with decorative tape. Decorate a few different squishies. Wrap the skewers with bows and party ribbons. Collect them all into a bouquet. Wrap it in wrapping paper and crepe paper. Decorate it with gift filler and colorful pom-poms. Wow! This is the most unusual bouquet Stephanie has ever gotten. She needs to squeeze and squish it. And Blondie gives her a giant card to guarantee she has a sweet life. Glue 2 sheets of white scrapbooking cardboard to a big sheet of colorful cardboard. Make bases for sweets out of decorative paper. Glue them to the cardboard. Attach ribbons on top. And tie on the sweets. Each one should have its own base. Write some birthday wishes. Score a bend and fold the card. To decorate the cover, cut patterned paper into pieces. Attach a balloon and glue on paper so it looks like a confetti explosion. Stephanie didn't expect to find her favorite candies in this card. And so many warm birthday wishes! She shares the candy with all of her friends. It's Jessica's turn to give her gift. Regular balloons? No way! This is a treasure hunt. You have to find your present in one of these balloons. Pour glitter into a balloon. Insert a small gift, such as a pretty necklace. Blow up the balloon and tie it. Inflate the rest of the balloons with glitter. Collect the balloons and tie ribbons around them. Attach a big safety pin to a ribbon. Stephanie pops all the balloons. Explosions and glitter everywhere. And here's the right one! Stephanie gets her gift with the last explosion. A cute necklace! That was fun! And now the best gift of all! A big surprise from the boys! What could possibly be in this huge box? Cut colorful crepe paper into strips. Spread it out and make it look like tinsel. Put a box with a gift inside on the base of a bigger box decorated with fabric. Put all the tinsel in on top. Decorate the big box with a huge bow. Stephanie opens the box. Look at all this tinsel! Her guests are drowning in it! And the present is at the bottom. Wow! A new gadget! The party is heating up. Everybody's dancing and having fun. Let's bring out our Coca-Cola ice cream. Pour a little Coke into popsicle molds. Put it in the freezer for 30 minutes so the soda will freeze a little. Mix in some heavy cream with Coke and add in a spoonful of powdered sugar. Mix it. Fill the molds all the way. Close the molds and put them in the freezer until they are fully set. Chili popsicles are perfect for this hot party. What an unusual flavor! The friends threw an awesome party! Did you like our life hacks for a fun birthday party? Then let us know in the comments which ones you'll use the next time you get lit. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new life hacks from Troom.